We often come across statements, ideas, and things which seem incredible and difficult to believe. There's a word we can use when we are not convinced of something. But before we move further, let's quickly see the last week's word. The word for this week is implausible. As per Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, it means an argument or statement which doesn't seem reasonable or probable and fails to convince us. If we describe something as implausible, we believe that it's unlikely to be true. Let's see some examples. Mark's explanation for cheating on her sounds highly implausible. Of all business ideas, none seems as implausible as Steve's. A decade ago, the idea of driverless cars seemed highly implausible. The phrase that we can use to describe anything that sounds implausible is too good to be true. As per Collins Dictionary, if we say something seems too good to be true, we are suspicious of it because it seems better than what we had expected, and we think there may be something wrong with it that we have not noticed. In other words, it is so great or impressive as to be difficult to believe. Let's see some examples. My new job offers me perks that are too good to be true. Their victory over the best team seemed almost too good to be true. The deal seems too good to be true, but we haven't found any catch in it. Let addition of new words make your communication so impressive that others say it's too good to be true. I'll be back with a new word and a new phrase next week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.